Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the knotless boho braids and I'm using curly hair from Hot Braids, and yeah, the items that were sent to me alongside this curly hair. And these items are so thoughtful, like if you're a braider, you know that these items are really necessary when it comes to braiding. Also, they sent me this really nice bag that I can use for storing items, and this is so thoughtful, guys. Also, this is the curly hair I'm using, and each pack is 100 gram. So let me load this up and show you guys what 50 gram look like. Now each of these is 50 gram, and this is a tip. This is how straight it is. You guys can see how gorgeous the coils of this hair is. Like, it is shining, it is beautiful, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I separate each of the coils. Okay, so what I did was apply gel to the tip of the hair and then separate it neatly. But you can decide not to add gel and just separate yours whichever way you want to separate it, guys. Now I'm gonna continue like braiding. Like you guys can see, I've already done 2 rows. I'm just gonna start parting and then show you guys the whole process. Now, lest I forget, the details to this curly hair from Hot Braids will be in my description box. So click on the link, it will take you to their website, and then you order for the hair on their website, guys. And while you're watching also, guys, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, leave your comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not already subscribed. Please, guys, hit the subscribe button. We're going to 700k subscribers, so hit the subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I have a new video on my channel.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know.
I'm going to start braiding now. So what I did was just like braid 1 2 and then add the braiding hair to it and just continue. You know how you do your knotless braids? That's what I'm doing here, guys. So I use my braid extension, started a knotless braid, and I'm just going to add the coily bob hair to it. The straight part, the tip, will be in the braids and the coily part will be outside. Alright, that is how to do your knotless boho braids, guys. Now this very first braids, I did not add like much speed to it, so it is easy to follow. Okay, so you guys can see what I'm doing properly. That is why I did not add much speed to it. So just keep watching and you will understand what I'm doing.
Cause I've traveled so far just to get to.
I use like 300 gram for this hairstyle. I just have a little bit, like a really tiny piece of the coily hair remaining. All right, and you guys will see how full, like how big this hair is at the end of this video. So just keep on watching, guys.
You are, and I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look.
I think one of the trendy hair right now is the knotless boho braids. And when you want to do yours, when you want to get yours done, go for a good quality hair like what I have in this video. As against when you're using a synthetic hair, it tends to like get rough easily, it is difficult to maintain, and you just use it once and trash it, meaning you do not get value for your money. As against when you're using a good quality hair like what I have in this video. With this good hair I have here from hot braids, you tend to use it over and over and over again, okay? And it just and you get value for your money and it looks neat and the coils last very very long for you. So I would advise you guys, when you want to do your knotless bow or braids and you want it to be beautiful, the coils to be coiling and really gorgeous, please go for this coily hair from hot braids because you guys are going to love it. The quality is so good, like the hair is perfect, guys.
in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause
Also, a really quick tip on getting a full boho braid is when you braid, quickly add in your, like, don't braid too far from the root of the hair before you add in your coily hair. Like what I did in this video, guys. You guys can see that I just braided a little and then add in the coily hair. And after adding the first piece of coily hair, I didn't braid that much. Like I didn't braid too much before adding the next one. Alright, that's a tip on getting a full knotless bow braid. So for each of the braids, we did 6 to 7 piece of coily hair on each of the braids because we're going for a full knotless boho braids, guys. Okay, so it depends on how full you want yours to be. You can do 4, 3, 5. It just depends on you and what you're going for.
been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the road.
So far, so good. This is what we have right now. Everything is looking, the parts are looking so neat. Everything is coming together nicely, and I love this.
Parts of it all.
Whenever I'm doing knotless bow or braids or just knotless braid generally, and I get to this front part, that is when I know that finally I am done with the hairstyle, guys. Okay, like doing these braids can be time consuming and it takes a lot of patience to do this hairstyle, guys. And this front part, I section it into four, and I'm just going to continue braiding like what I was doing before, guys. The only difference with this particular braid is the coily hair I'm going to add at the front. Just the very first coily hair I'm adding here, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the coily hair and then place it and use the braiding hair to braid. Okay, like I did not like braid the coily hair and the braid extension first before taking it out. Okay, like I just put the coily hair and then take it out, continue braiding with the braid extension. Okay, I believe you guys saw what I did there, and that is just the only difference with this particular braid here. Now the reason why I did that is so when she wants to style the hair, the coily hair can just drop on its own naturally without stress. And when you're braiding and you notice that the ends of the hair, like at the end, you notice that the braiding extension is much, what you have to do is just take your scissors and cut it out. You all, that is it. Okay, now you guys can see how full, how big this hair is looking here. I used the 300 gram that was sent to me. I think just a very tiny piece was remaining. Okay, and this is what we have, guys. Now I'm going to define the coils. I'm going to use the foaming mush to define the coils of this hair, but you can use water and leave-in conditioner to do yours. But in this video I'm using foaming mush to define the coils, and I'm just going to do that, apply the foam wash all over the hair and define the coils. And this is what we have after, applying the foaming mush. See how gorgeous and how coily the coils okay. Like this hair is giving, guys. I love how big the hair is. Not so big, sha, but I love how full it is. I love how gorgeous the coils are looking here. I love the length of this particular boho braids. Like it's so perfect. We did other styles, guys. Like we did the middle part, we did the side part, we did, other styles that you guys are going to see as you continue watching. You all, like, I could not even decide which of the styles is the most beautiful, okay, among all of them. So let me know in the comment section which style you think is more beautiful than others in the comment section. And you all, do not forget that this unit is from Hotbraids, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on.